Whoops. Hit the throttle cut instead of the mode. There she is. Hard hit, but I think it's okay. Yeah, it's hard on concrete. I don't know if you saw that, but how it was going. Every time I go to the right, it goes sharply left for a while, and then you got to pull the stick way over. That's why I was going into mode 1, try to get more throw there. And I turn left rudder, and it starts backing up real sharply, dips the tail. Don't get that either. If I look at, there's nothing happening on the outputs. When I go left, it's left rudder, right rudder. There's nothing happening. Got a little bit of 3 clicks of left trim in to hold it. I don't know if it's the optical flow over this concrete or what. Let's see if we can get it back up, finish the battery. Okay, we moved outside a little bit. Sun come out. The wind's from the east, I think. So we're protected here a little bit. There's some in the trees you can see. Let's see if we can finish out right here. Wonder if this thing will take off in 2. I never tried it on this one. So now we're gonna re-blink it. Which now I can't see. Can't see the light anymore. Hope we didn't time out. Oh, we still got it. Okay. So, do a recalibrate. I cannot see the LEDs at all on the sun. It's turned too much of an angle. I'm gonna go up. Yeah, I don't want to do it. Might have timed out. Should be plenty long to bind. There it goes. There's hard forward left stick. Look what it's, let's get autograph, see if optical flow. Oh, the wind's blowing it back. Every time I go left or forward, it's trying to back up. Sorry, it's going to be out of the camera a little bit. I'll try to bring it back. I really got a stick fly here. It's not holding it all. See, I let off. Look at it go. Suppose that's the wind. Going up to flight mode 2, get more throw. Back to 1. It's a wind coming around the house. Oh. Down, boy, down. Oh, crap. Kept climbing. Right up in a tree. Well, I chopped some trees. Well, it's a crazy flight here. Okay, here's the damage. Knocked that off, no big deal. It just pops off. But we broke the motor mount right there. It's just hanging there. I push it back in. We're gonna have to CA that. It should be fine. Broke pretty clean. So recommended you do not trim trees with it. That's my recommendation. I don't know, it's getting pushed up by the wind, I guess. Kept sucking up and I was holding down, couldn't stop it. And we got tangled in there, threw it around, smacked the tail, spun around. I saw that the tail smacked into the tree. Too much force. We'll take it down on a bench and fix that in about 5 minutes. But that'll be all for today. Getting toward lunchtime. So we see how the wind's affecting it. We got a little swirl around the house down to that end. I need to go up to the school or something, or a park. Get in the open more. I can mess with this thing better without obstacles. My yard used to be plenty of room right there between those two maples, but they have really broadened out. So I don't have that width. I used to fly a MCPX BL out there, Nanos out, BL out there, flipping them back, flipping, invert, all kinds of stuff. And now the trees have ballooned. Even though I had that left maple, I had him trimmed about 3 years ago. It's really blossomed out. And this guy, he was trimmed lightly, but look up in there. He's got all new growth heading toward the other one. May have to have him pruned back down again. He's too big. They're not supposed to be a dwarf red maple, but he's really getting up there. So we may have to come in and trim him again this fall. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. God bless. Have a great week.